Welcome to my cozy attic office here in the Netherlands. Oh, no. Don't look at those boxes and the messy things there. Please get back to my desk. This is my current desk setup. I really enjoy how simple it is, even though it can get a bit messy with many things from my video projects. I've added warm colors and personal touches like plants, cozy lights, and fun decorations. Today, I want to give my desk a mini makeover, something fun and unique that reflects my personality. I've just got a keycap set from KiiBoom, the Cozy Diaries Rainy Foggy Day, and I think it fits the weather in the Netherlands right now. Rainy, cold, and dark outside. It's the perfect way to bring a little rainy day charm into the workspace, especially when working in a quiet, comfy attic like this one. Here's the KiiBoom Cozy Diaries Rainy Foggy Day keycap set. Look at these adorable details, the frogs, raindrops, and even the soft, natural colors. It's like a rainy day captured in keycap form. They're made from sturdy PPT material, so they're smooth, strong, and ready for lots of typing. It's time to put new keycaps on my favorite keyboard. This is a faux aluminum keyboard from Attack Shark. I really love the creamy thocky sound of it and how it's solid and gives you the feel of amazing when you type on. Soft but steady. It's like your fingers glide gently over a round of cotton. However, the color doesn't really match my setup and I need something fresh, cute and cozy for these gloomy days in the Netherlands. Let's take a look at my keyboard's new design. It's so cool and adorable. Do you feel the same way? To match the theme of these keycaps, I'll change my wallpaper. I usually use an app called My Wallpaper on my MacBook. You can download it from the Apple Store. It's an animated wallpaper app and it's affordable. However, it doesn't have a rainy foggy theme, so I'll create one myself using Leonardo AI for the image and Clean AI for the animation. These websites aren't sponsoring my video, but I think they're amazing for making cool anime-style images and animations. I'll share the link to the wallpaper in the description box if you want to download it. Okay, first, I'll use ChatGPT to create a prompt. I will upload a photo of keycaps so ChatGPT can understand the style and colors. Then I'll copy the prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. Sometimes you need to check if the prompt is good or not. After I come up with a good prompt, I'll go to the Leonardo website. You need to sign up first to use their services. You can also sign up with your Google account. With the free version, you get 150 tokens daily, which means you can make about 18 to 30 images a day. There's also a new launch called Flow State. During the launch promotion, you can generate up to 300 images in Flow State. That's cool. I'll try to use both to generate the wallpaper and let's see what's good. Wow, that's a lot. It seems with the flow state, you get more cool images than the classic mode. Let's find the cutest one for my desktop. I found some and downloaded to my computer. Next, I'll upload the image to Clean AI to create a simple animation. For example, I'll add rainy effect in the description box. It takes around 3 hours to generate a video on Clean AI, so we'll be back later to check it. Actually, I'm back after 2 days because I've been busy with other things. Wow, this looks amazing! I'm definitely going to pick this one. If you don't like the result, you can always try generating it again. But I would suggest going for the paid version on Clean AI, since you won't be able to cancel it later. I plan to make the video a little longer than 10 seconds and remove the logo from Clean AI. You can use any video editing program to do this, like CapCut, Adobe Premiere, or DaVinci Resolve. I'll be using DaVinci Resolve to edit and save the final version. With the new macOS, setting a live wallpaper with your own video is super easy. You just need a MOV file. I'll be using a free online converter since DaVinci Resolve doesn't support exporting to MOV. After converting, I'll choosing the video as my live wallpaper. It's simple, but it might take a little time for the system to get everything working properly. Let's turn on the lights. To create a cozy vibe, I choose a soft yellow or gentle orange color. Even though it's raining outside, I want my workspace to feel comforting and cheerful, like a little safe haven from the gloomy weather. I'll keep the lighting soft and relaxing, but still bright enough to help me stay focused on my work. And here's the finished look. My edit desk now feels like a cozy little corner on a rainy day. The Rainy Froggy Day keycaps add so much personality to my keyboard. Every time I type, it feels like I'm stepping into a cute rainy story. You don't need to spend a lot to refresh your space. A new set of keycaps and a little creativity can completely transform your desk. So, what do you think? Would you try a makeover like this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy ideas.